Hyderabad. A DCM vehicle loaded with a consignment of liquor bottles worth rupees 3 lakh overturned at Bovenpalli on Wednesday. A tire burst caused the heavy vehicle to ram into the road divider and overturn on the dairy farm road at Bovenpalli. The driver and cleaner sustained injuries in the incident, police said. Hyderabad. Mango prices have come down in the city in the last 1 week thanks to the abundant supply. People can relish choicest varieties of the king of fruits at an affordable price. Hyderabad, the new state of Telangana took baby steps like no one ever did before. In fact, the transition from baby steps to a full fledged race along the path of development from 2014 to 2023 was one that stunned every other state, leaving behind many of the older states as the country's youngest state reached the top in multiple sectors in double quick time. Warangal. BRS Working President K. D. Ramarao slammed the Congress-led government in Telangana, accusing it of severe mismanagement and failing to fulfill its promises. He pointed out the deteriorating condition in the state since the Congress came to power in Telangana, including power cuts and discontinuation of ongoing projects, even as several companies were leaving the state. Hyderabad, the Central Water and Power Research Station, Pune, one of the three central organizations tasked with further studies pertaining to structural issues in the barrages of the Kalleshwaram lift irrigation project, deputed a team of its experts to the state on Wednesday. Hyderabad, 1 minute late norm has been relaxed for the intermediate public advanced supplementary exams commencing Friday. Students will be given 5 minutes of grace time to enter the centers. Hyderabad Anti-Corruption Bureau in Telangana has arrested Assistant Commissioner of Police T.S. Uma Maheshwar Rao for allegedly possessing assets disproportionate to his known sources of income. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.